So today we're going to do Discovery Fizzzing Mars with a a surprise in the inside. Wow. Alright, let's see what's in here.
Mars is one of the 8 planets that go around the sun.
Alright, we got towels, we got bowl, we got warm water. Alright. What's in there? Want to get it out?
Yeah.
Grab it out. What do you want? Come over here. Come over here in this chair. Your sister wants to watch too, okay? Hang on. Your sister wants to watch too. Let's get her a chair. I'm getting you a chair, baby.
The visiting Mars. The visiting Mars. The visiting Mars.
Can I move you over just a little bit? There. Okay. You can go up there. Bye.
It's a visiting Mars, Bella. Are you ready?
Okay, are we ready?
Yeah.
Oh, look it. It's Mars.
Yeah, it's a Mars.
Open it up.
And I saw it started.
And you got a stick. You got the stick? You can have the spoon. Here. You use a spoon, she'll use a stick, okay?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay. Just wait. We got to pour water over him. Woo! Okay. Here we go. He's going to fizz. And there's going to be a surprise in the inside. Are you ready?
Yeah. Ready.
Okay, you can poke at him. See if you can get the surprise out. Use your stick, baby. Use your stick. There you go. Use your stick. See if you can find the surprise. Oh, he's not out yet. You got to keep poking him. See if you can get him out. And get him out. Ah, he's an alien.
It's an alien.
Isn't he cute?
Yeah.
Oh, you give him a kiss. He's so cute. Huh? You can have him. He's yours. You can put him in the water. Aww.
Now it's my turn. I want to do it. Coffee hot. It's really
A little baby
hot.
alien.